Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. If at all you are noticing the gold prices, then you must be aware about the fact that the gold prices have definitely fallen quite a lot in the past few months, and you can probably witness the fact that last year this time gold prices were close to 60,000 rupees, but today they are trading as low as 44,000 rupees or maybe 42,000 rupees for 22 karat gold. So it's very obvious that you must be thinking or considering the fact that should I invest a little bit of my money in gold, and should I probably buy some gold coins or probably some gold chain for myself. Well, before you head to the gold jewelry shop, I'm pretty sure that you must be inquiring about the different ways in which how can you understand what is the way in which you can check whether the gold is genuine or not. Well, in this video we will try and understand what are the 4 simple techniques through which you can determine whether the gold that you're buying is a fair gold or is it some duplicate thing which your shopkeeper is probably trying to sell you. So without further ado, one by one we'll head to the details of it and we'll discuss the 4 points in which you can probably figure out whether the gold that you're buying is genuine or not. So without further ado, let's get straight to the point. The number one thing that you can do if at all you're going to the gold jewelry shop is that I'm pretty sure that you must have already heard about this particular point, which is basically to check whether the gold jewelry has a BIS hallmark or not. So a BIS hallmark is basically an agency which is basically run by Government of India, which basically tells or determines whether the gold that you are buying is genuine or not. It is as simple or as like, just to give you a reference, just like how we have ISI mark on our products which we consume or which we utilize every other product. It can be FMCG product or it can be any soap or shampoo or anything like that. Similar to that, there is something called a hallmark which basically tests or determines the purity of the gold. So if at all your gold jewelry or if at all your gold coin has a hallmark behind it, so definitely you can consider buying that particular gold option, which is a genuine way in which you can check whether the gold is genuine or not. If at all by chance there is no gold hallmark on your jewelry, if at all your shopkeeper says that, you know what, this is very recently made, so we haven't went to the agency and we haven't got it like attested or registered, etc, etc. So probably you can check with another way in which you can figure out whether the gold is genuine or not, which is by having a magnet in your pocket. So if at all you're carrying a magnet with yourself, you'll be able to figure out whether the gold is genuine or not. What you have to do is you have to just keep the gold jewelry very close to the magnet and see whether the gold is moving or whether it is coming closer to the magnet or whether it is reacting because of the magnet's presence or not. If at all it's reacting, then you should definitely do not consider buying that particular option because it is not gold, because pure gold doesn't really react to elements like magnet. If at all it's iron made or probably if at all there's any other element in that, then definitely it will react or it will probably move a little bit because of the presence of magnet in the surrounding of that particular object. But if it's pure gold, it will definitely not move. So if you have magnet with you, then you can definitely figure out whether it's gold or not. By chance, if at all you're not having magnet at your home, but I'm pretty sure that you must be having vinegar in your kitchen, right? So when you're going to the gold jewelry shop, please carry a little bit of vinegar along with you, and when you're probably figuring out whether you're probably going to buy this particular gold item or not, just take the permission of the shopkeeper and just tell him that I just want to check whether the color changes or not, whether if I drop a little bit of vinegar on that particular gold item. And if you try and drop a few 1 or 2 drops of vinegar on that particular gold item and just closely notice if at all the color or the surface of that particular gold object is changing slightly or not. If at all it's changing even a little bit, then you must already get probably a red flag, considering that this particular item is not real gold, because real gold does not really change in the presence of vinegar. So if it is reacting to vinegar, then definitely it's not gold. Do not buy it and just get out of that shop. By chance, if at all you don't have vinegar or magnet, you can probably find a glass of water, right? So in the shop itself, when you go there, definitely they'll offer you something to drink. If at all they are offering you a glass of water, then just keep that water glass very close to you and just take the shopkeeper's permission and just try and drop that particular gold item in that glass of water. If at all you're buying something of a smaller size, maybe a ring or maybe a coin or maybe a earring or anything like that, if at all you're dropping it on in the water glass, and if at all it sinks, that means it's genuine gold. And if at all it doesn't sink or if it just floats on the surface of the water, that means it's definitely not pure gold, and you should definitely not consider buying that particular option. By chance, if at all you're buying something a little bigger in size, it can be probably a necklace or it can be probably a couple of bangles that you are probably considering buying, then try and do this particular experiment on a little bit bigger surface. You can probably put this particular thing in a bucket of water and see whether it sinks or whether it floats. If it sinks, then it's pure gold, then you can definitely consider buying it. If it's not sinking, if at all it's floating on the surface of water, that means it's not genuine gold, then you should definitely not consider buying that particular gold. So I hope you found this particular information informative, and if you did, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and make them also alert about the fact that if at all they are planning to buy gold in the upcoming wedding season, they should not end up making a fool of themselves by buying something which is not genuine. And if you really like this video, don't forget to leave your feedbacks in the comment section and help us inform more and more people about it by sharing this video. And if at all you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming, business, then you should definitely download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 75 plus courses, and our new course gets updated every single week in 6 different languages, which is Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.